Okay guys, so in this video we'll be seeing about pre-order traversal, right? So I think we can see about all the three types of traversal, right? Okay, so in this video let's stick with pre-order traversal. Pre-order traversal. Okay, and I have given you the trick to remember this in the previous video. This is PLR, right? First you have to visit the root node, then left and then right. Okay, P refers to the root node here. I told you this, right? Okay, so let me give you some examples, right? So first root node, then left subtree and right subtree. Okay, okay, good. I'll be having first example A, B, C. Let me go with a simple one, D, E, F, right? Okay. Here, what is the pre-order traversal? What is the order in which you traverse this loop? I mean the tree. Somebody asks you, first you have to visit the root node, right? So just number it. That's the good way of doing it. So just number it. First you have to visit the root node, right? So root node I'm first visiting. So first number 1. After that I go for the left subtree. So in the left subtree I have to visit the root node only. So that is 2. Okay, and here I have to visit the left node and right node, right? So I have done P, L and R. So R is here, right? In this subtree also, first I have to visit the root node only. This is the root node for this subtree, right? I mean, if you consider this as subtree, this is the root node, right? So 5 and this is 6, right? So what you can have is you have to visit the left one first, but since you don't have any left one here, so directly I'm visiting the right one. So the order here is you have to now follow the numbers A, B, E, D, E, C, F. So this is the pre-order traversal for this loop. That's how the loop will be executed. So remember here is when you talk about pre-order, this is the root. Of course, the tree has only one root. I agree with that. But if you consider this as subtree, here also you have to apply the concept of PLR, right? Here also you have to consider this as P, L, and R only, right? Let me give you another example, right? This is something very basic in data structure, very important also, right? I'll get A, B, C, D, E, G, F. Alright. So, okay, let me visit the nodes. So, I am following PLR, pre-order. So, first I will visit A, okay, P. Then I have to go for left subtree only. Here I have to visit again the root. The root for this subtree is B. Okay, that's the idea here. So, I have to visit that only first. Right, so I write 2 here, and I have to visit the left one only. Left is there is no node, so I have to go for right, that is 3, right? And now I'll visit the right subtree 4. In right subtree I have to visit the node first, so 4. Then I have to visit the left subtree. Left there is again a subtree, and I have to visit the node first, so 5. And left there is no nothing, so I have to visit G, that is 6, and here remaining is 7. That's it. So if I write A, B, follow the numbers. So A, B, C, D, then E, G, F. This is the pre-order traversal for this loop, for this tree, right? I'll just end up this video with one more example, a complicated example maybe. A, B, C, D, E, G, H, J, L, K, right? So this is a complicated one. Okay, so just follow the subtree concept. Okay, this is root 1, so I'm following PLR, pre-order. So just visit the node, root node first, so root node 1, maybe I could take another color. Think I could take gray. Yeah, this is node 1, right? And I have to visit the left subtree. In left subtree, again I have to visit the root node only. So B, right? And after that I have to go for the left only. So 3. And here I have to go for this subtree. This subtree I have to visit the root node, that is 4. And left, right, there is no node, so leave that. After that, come to this subtree, right? 6, the left node. 7, go to right, right, and you have to visit the left one. In left you have another subtree, and the root node is here, this. So 9, again left. Right, you don't have anything, here, so you can very well ignore that. Right, okay, right, and the remaining is 10, right? Right, that's it. Okay, so the pre-order traversal here is follow the numbers A, B, D, E, F, C, G, H, J, L, K. So this is the pre-order traversal for this particular tree. I'll give you homework. I'll give you an exam. A question. Please try it out by yourself, and you can always post the answer in the Q&A section. And if you have any doubts, you can also ask that. Right? And right, X, Y, Z. A, H, B, E, 5, 10, 15, 25. Maybe I could take it as 50. So this is your question. Please try it out. Okay. Maybe I'll post the answer later, but you have to try it out, this question. Just follow the concepts of pre-order traversal. You will get this easily, right? That's it. Let's talk about post order and in order traversal in the next video. Thanks a lot.